Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows. Let's begin the video. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps, then click on Apps and Features. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to remove. Now click on the app and select Uninstall. Then confirm the action to uninstall your app. You can also uninstall an app from the Start menu. Click on the Start menu and locate the app. Right-click on the app and from the menu select Uninstall. Now confirm the action and Windows will remove the app. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.